I have found the 3 high-quality AI video generation tools, which are totally free and unlimited. These tools do not deliver poor quality results. Instead, they deliver accurate motions, provide high-stability videos, and generate high-quality videos along with sound. I am not talking about the major AI tools like Qwen AI, Hailu, and VO3. These are the hidden gems that nobody is talking about. The best part of these video generators is that there is no watermark on the videos. I am very excited to share with you, so let's begin the video. So the first tool we have is the Qwen AI. You guys already know about Qwen AI is for image editing, but now we can generate videos from it. Go to the Google search bar and type Qwen AI. Then this interface will come in front of you. Click on Try Qwen Chat. First, create your account by clicking the Sign Up button. Now you can see that we did not see any credits feature here. That means we can generate many outputs. If we go down, we have the multiple Qwen tools like image edit, normal chatbots, image generation, and also off-course video generation. We are using only the video generation, so click on that. So right here, we can generate videos in 2 ways, by a text to video and by image to video. You also have the option to upload any reference image, and you can also select your desired aspect ratio. So first, I am using their text to video feature. In the prompt box, I type, "A terrifying humanoid monster pick up a Coca-Cola bottle and says, 'Today I will enjoy,' and then take a slow sip." I am generating their voice output to see how it works. Now, hit the generate. Within 1 minute, the output will be ready. All right, it generates the output.
"Today, I will enjoy."
And you can see it exactly speak what I say to that, and the voice perfectly matches. The motions are not glitchy. Video quality is okay. It generates only up to 5 seconds long. Since it's a free tool, minor imperfections are acceptable. Next, I am going to try their image to video feature. I upload my own image, which was generated by Nano Banana Pro in 4K. In the previous video, I explained the free ways to use Nano Banana Pro in 4K quality. Then enter your prompt. I put a simple prompt, "A woman in a fierce looks around." Click on generate. All right, it generated the video. And you can see the quality is really good. It follows the prompt well and adds a fierce expression on her face. The camera angles change according to the prompt I provided. And if you notice, it even adds some fierce background sounds. The best part, it doesn't lose the quality of your original image. In my opinion, this is the best option for animating your images. For my testing, I generated 10 videos daily, which is not bad. So use this tool and make many AI videos. The second video tool we can use is the Grok AI. Type grok.com/imagine in the search bar, and you will be directly landed on their generation interface. Here you see their video gallery. Grok AI was recently upgraded to 4.1 version, and now it generates more accurate and realistic videos. They have also increased their daily generation limit, and now you can generate up to 50 videos daily from a single account. We are using the image to video feature here. Upload any reference image from this option. I am uploading my own image. Once your image is uploaded, the AI fetches the image and start generating. If we click on Make Video without prompt, the AI itself generate the motions in the image. But I want to create something different. Then type the prompt here. For example, I type, "She is walking toward camera," and put a hand on the camera. Now hit on Generate button, and this is the output. It follows the prompt, same as I told the AI, and the video quality stays original according to images. Using Grok AI, I have made multiple cut shots of myself, and see this? It looks really professional. The last tool we can try is Meta AI. Meta AI now uses Midjourney, so with this tool, you can create Midjourney styles images and videos with it. To access this tool, type meta.ai in the Google search bar, and by using your Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail, you can easily sign up. And to create the videos, come into the Create option. I have generated some outputs from Meta AI, and they are very shocking. The first output I created used this prompt, 3D animation of an arguing passenger and driver in a car. The quality and motions are absolutely the best. Every expression, every gesture, and every little movement feels so so real. Here's another output I created with a different prompt, and honestly, the realism in this video is mind-blowing. It truly feels like a scene from a cinematic movie. You can use this tool unlimitedly. There are no generation limits of images and videos. This is really a true gem. These are not the cheap quality tools. So instead of buying the paid tools, you can use these free AI video generators to get professional quality results. That's all from me today. If you like these type of content, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.